Hi friends, good morning. Today let us do some more problems on parabola. So the first problem is, what is the equation of the parabola whose vertex is 3, 2, whose vertex is 3, 2 and focus is 5, 2. Focus is 5, 2. See friends, vertex is given and focus is given, and the distance between these 2 points, see focus 5, 2 5, 2 and vertex 3, 2. Vertex 3, 2. So this is right to open parabola. So the distance between these 2 points, is our A. Right open is y minus k whole square is equal to 4a or 4p into x minus h. Y minus k, right open, y minus k whole square is equal to 4p or 4a into x minus h, where hk is the vertex. And P is the distance between these 2 points. Distance between these 2 points is 5 minus 3, 2. Distance between these 2 points is 2. So here P is equal to 2 and vertex is given, that is 3, 2. So simple, y minus k whole square is equal to 4p into x minus h. So y minus k 2, y minus 2 whole square is equal to 4 into p2. So 4 2's 8 into x minus h3. This is h, this is k. Y minus 2 whole square is equal to 8 into x minus 3 is the required equation. You can simplify further. Y square plus 4 minus 4y is equal to 8x minus 24. It implies y square minus 4y minus 8x plus 28 is equal to 0 is the required equation of the parabola, friends. Okay friends, let us see one more problem. What is the equation of the parabola? Whose vertex is 2, minus 1. Whose vertex is 2, minus 1. And focus is 2, minus 3. Focus is 2, minus 3. 2, minus 1, 2, minus 3. See friends, this is vertex 2 minus 1, this is vertex, and focus 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3, this is the focus, this is the vertex. So this is downward open parabola. This is a downward open parabola. So for this x minus h whole square is equal to 4p into y minus k where p less than 0. P less than 0. Okay friends, here actually p is the difference between -1 and -2 units, but p is -2 here. P is -2 here. So our equation is x minus h whole square is equal to 4p into y minus k. X minus h whole, this is downward open is equal to x minus h whole square is equal to 4p into y minus k. Here p is equal to -2. P is equal to -2. So x minus h whole square, x minus of -1, x minus 2 whole square, x minus 2 whole square is equal to 4p. Or if you take p as 2 units, then minus 4p into y minus k. So now minus 4 into 2, you can consider p as 2 units also. Here p is 2 units. Then the formula is minus 4p into y minus k. So minus 4p into y minus k. Y minus of -1, y plus 1. So x square plus 4 minus 4x is equal to minus 8y minus 8. It implies x square minus 4x plus 8y plus 12 is equal to 0. Plus 12 is equal to 0. So this is the required equation of your parabola, friends. Right, friends? So here x coordinates are equal. And you can plot this point. This is focus. This is vertex. And distance between these 2 points is our P. Distance between these 2 points is our P. That is 2 units. Distance is 2 units. So this is downward open. Then the equation is x minus h whole square is equal to minus 4p into y minus k. Or if you can take 4p into x minus k by taking p is equal to -2. Minus 4p into y minus k, minus 4 into p is 2 units, 2 into y plus 1. So the required equation is this, friends. So if the units of x coordinates are equal, you can identify the parabola nature, whether it is up open or down open or right open or left open. Accordingly, you can apply the formula. Okay friends, let us see one more problem. See, vertex is 1, -2. Vertex is 1, -2. And focus is 1, -7. Focus is 1, -7. Same thing, friends. Same thing. So this is vertex is 1, -2. 1, -2. This is vertex 1, -2. And focus 1, -7. Focus 1, -7. So this is also downward open. So x square is equal to -4ay like that. That is x minus h whole square is equal to minus 4p into y minus k, where p is distance between these 2 points. That is 5 units. Distance between these 2 points, -2, -7. So difference is 5. So the formula is x minus h whole square. X minus h whole square is equal to minus 4p into y minus k. X minus h. X minus 1. x minus 1 whole square is equal to minus 4 into p. P is 5 units. P is 5 into y minus k. Minus of minus k plus k. So plus 2. Minus of minus 2 plus 2. So x square plus 1 minus 2x is equal to minus 20y minus 40. It implies x square minus 2x plus 20y plus 41. Plus 41 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of the parabola, friends. So that is one thing. Let us see the another problem. See friends, here focus is not given in the fourth problem. Find the equation of a parabola. Find the equation of a parabola whose vertex is 2 comma minus 1. Vertex is 2 comma 1. Vertex is 2 comma 1 and the equation of the directrix. The equation of the directrix. Directrix equation is given. Directrix equation is x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. X minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So vertex is given. Vertex is given. This is vertex. This is directrix. This equation is x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So we have to find the equation of the directrix. Equation of the directrix. See friends, equation of the directrix when vertex, equation of the parabola when vertex and the directrix are given. We take any point on xy. We take any point on xy. And as per the definition of parabola, this is vertex, this is 2 comma 1. As per the definition of parabola, what is the definition of parabola? The distance between a fixed point focus, the distance between focus and the distance between the directrix. Distance between the directrix are equal. So we are going to do that. So first we want this point. If we know this point, we can find the focus. First we find this point. This is the point of intersection of this line and this line. This line and this line. This is the point of intersection. So once we get this point, we can find the focus. Because 2 comma 1 is the midpoint of this and this. 2 comma 1, this is S, this is some A. So B is the midpoint of A and S. So A is the point of intersection of directrix and the perpendicular. Like that we find S, and as per the definition of parabola, the distance between xy and focus is equal to distance between xy and the line. Okay, so first our target is finding A. This is the point of intersection of directrix and this axis. We know the equation of the directrix. Equation of the directrix x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. this line is perpendicular to this line. So any line perpendicular to this, ax plus by perpendicular bx minus ay. So x plus y plus k is equal to 0. Equation of this line is equal to x plus y plus k is equal to 0. This line passes through 2 comma 1. So 2 plus 1 3. K is equal to minus 3. So equation of this line x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. Or x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. This is second equation. This is the equation of the directrix. This is the equation of the line perpendicular to the directrix. By solving these two equations, we get A and then we get S and we follow the definition. Okay friends, so let us find the point of intersection of these two lines. First equation, x minus y is equal to minus 1. Second line, x plus y is equal to 3. By solving these two, 2x is equal to 2, x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. Therefore, y is equal to 2. So, this point is 1 comma 2. Now we can find the focus. Because this point is the midpoint of A and S. V is the midpoint of A and S. So, to actually we see, say suppose this is some h comma k, h plus 1 by 2 is equal to 2. H plus 1 by 2 is equal to 2. So h is equal to 4 minus 1 3. In the same way, k plus 2 by 2 is equal to 1. K is equal to 2 minus 2, 0. So 3 comma 0 is the vertex. 3 comma 0 is the focus. Now our task is finding the equation of the parabola. Distance between xy and 3 comma 0. X minus 3 whole square plus y square under root. This is equal to distance between xy and the line x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Distance between xy and x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0, friends. What is the distance? ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. So ax1 1 into xx, ax1 plus by1 minus 1 into y minus y plus c by root of a square plus b square. Root of 1 plus 1, 2. Squaring on both sides, we get x minus 3 whole square plus y square is equal to x minus y plus 1 whole square by 2. So on simplifying you get the required equation, friends. Okay friends, let us see the next problem. See our next problem, friends. Find the equation of the parabola. Whose vertex is 1 comma 3. And focus is 3 comma 5. So vertex focus 3 comma 5, and vertex 1 comma 3. Focus 3, 5, vertex 1, 3. And this is the line of directrix. This is the line of directrix. So, here first let us find the equation of the directrix. Equation of the directrix. After finding the equation of the directrix, as we did in the last problem, previous problem, let us take a point xy on the parabola. Then the distance between xy parabola and focus, xy and focus, and xy to the line are equal. By making them equal, we can find the equation of the parabola. So our first thing is to find the equation of the directrix. We know this point, friends. We know this point. We can find this point because this is the vertex is the midpoint of this is the midpoint of this and this, M and S. B is the midpoint of M and S. Say if it is HK, H plus 3 by 2 is equal to 1. H plus 3 by 2 is equal to 1. It implies H is equal to 2 minus 3 minus 1. Minus 1 point, x point, and then k plus 5 by 2, k plus 5 by 2 is equal to y coordinate 3. It implies k is equal to 6 minus 5, 1. K is equal to 1. So we know this point, friends. This point is minus 1, 1. And now we have to find the equation of the directrix. See, we know this slope. We can find the slope of this line. What is the slope of this line? 5 minus 3, 2 by 3 minus 1 to 2 by 2, 1. 1 is the slope of this line. So, minus 1 is the slope of this line. So, point minus 1, 1 and slope of directrix. Slope of this line is 1. This line is perpendicular to the axis. So therefore the slope of this line is equal to minus 1. Slope of this line is minus 1. Now we can find the equation of the directrix. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus of minus 1 x plus 1. It implies y minus 1 is equal to minus x minus 1. To take this side, x plus y is equal to 0. X plus y is equal to 0 is the equation of the directrix. X plus y is equal to 0 is the equation of the directrix. Friends, we know the directrix, we know focus. So, distance between these 2 points and distance between xy and directrix are equal. So, let us find the distance from xy to focus. X minus 3 whole square, x minus 3 root of x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square. X minus 3 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square is equal to distance between this line ax1 plus by1 plus c is not there by root of a square plus b square root 2. It implies squaring on both sides x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square is equal to x plus 5 whole square by 2. Let us simplify this equation, friends. X square plus 9 minus 6x plus y square plus 25 minus 10y is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy by 2. Now 2x square minus x square 2y square minus y square plus y square. Next minus 2xy minus 2xy, 2 into minus 6 minus 12x, 2 into minus 10 minus 20y, 25 plus 9 34, 34 into 2 68. This is the required equation, friends. X square plus y square minus 2xy minus 12x minus 20y plus 68 is equal to 0 is the required equation of the parabola. So when vertex and focus are given like this, because here the x coordinates are not equal, y coordinates are not equal. If it is given like this, you have to find the equation of the directrix. Finding the equation of directrix is simple thing, because you know the point, you can find this point by doing this. You can find this point and you can find the equation of this line passing through this point and whose slope is perpendicular to this. The slope of this line is 1, so the slope of this line is minus 1. So by doing this you can find the equation of this thing. Okay, friends. Okay, friends. Tomorrow we should do some more problems. Okay, thank you.